Hey guys, this is Ishmael Amte, currently at home. It's a Sunday afternoon and the sun is very hot. So I've had a lot of people ask me why or what motivates me to make my YouTube videos. And here's the thing. Have you ever been in a situation where like you were looking for a solution badly and you couldn't come by any? And finally you were able to discover how to go about whatever it was. No? That happens to be my case. And a lot of things I record on are personal experiences, trying to find out how something works and finding it difficult and the rest. So once I come by a solution, I find it very useful not to just keep it to myself or all by myself, just share it out there to anyone who might have encountered similar situations and probably maybe looking out for a solution to go about it. So that's what actually gets me making videos. And if you realize, most of my videos has to do with tutorials, how to do something, and so on. So hey, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly try your possible best to subscribe, and then don't forget to hit on the bell so that anytime there's a new video you get to see it. So Ishmael here, and hear lots of birds, singing, making noise, making merry. So it's a Sunday afternoon. I'll see you in the next one.